Brake, 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 brake. See, shouldn't be braking a little bit sooner.
Four.
Put the reverse, yeah. See, the light change. Go a little bit back, yeah. A little bit more back, more, yeah. See, and stop. Hold on, drive. The light was changing, Jack.
I thought if I just...
No, you cannot do it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, guys, we have Jack. Jack is already on his 5th lesson. This is going to be today number 5, correct?
Number 5.
In this video, guys, we're going to cover how to do lane changes. Also, how to make a right and left turn on intersections, on the traffic light. Now, I often have questions about how many lessons do I need to, and how many lessons it will take me to get and know how to drive. So, for example, if we take Jack, you will see it. He pick up very fast, and some people that I have, some students that I have, they coming and it takes a little bit longer. So it doesn't matter how long it's gonna take you, as long as you feel comfortable and you know how to drive. This is the goal, right, Jack?
Yep.
How do you feel about lesson number 5?
I feel good.
You feel good?
I feel like I could take a mock test soon.
You feel that you can take a mock test?
Yep.
I'd like to hear that. Soon we're gonna do that. Also, guys, we did the one video before, me and Jack. He did the parallel parking. I show him simple steps, and he was just doing after I explained, and he did the simple parallel parking. And if you would like to see the video, you can find on my channel. So guys, we're gonna start moving soon, but before we start, I just want to share with you that today I'm going to record only with the one dash cam. This is the one that I will be recording. This video is sponsored by 70mi, and this dash cam is T800. It's a premium one. And also, guys, I will explain why I would be doing video with only dash cam. Number one, this dash cam is a 3-channel, and it's recording front and the back with the 4K. All the time it's recording with HDR. And also, guys, there is some special feature that I want to check in this video. It's called ADAS. It's Advanced Driving Assistant System. So we're gonna check on that. Also, some accessories that come with this dash cam that doesn't come with the others. This is a battery pack. So in case if you want to be all the time recording and you don't want to drain your battery, 70mi has the battery pack. Also, if you would like to be all the time connected with your car, this is the wireless one kit. So if you would like, it's it doesn't cover Canada yet, but it's on US, so you can use the 4G and it's wirelessly connected. So this is the dash cam. But they didn't ask me to do all this. They asked me to show you how this dash cam actually works. So now, Jack, are you ready?
Ready to go.
Okay, let's go. So we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna do traffic lights on the turns. Don't forget to put the signal when you're pulling out. So it's going to be like a lesson, but also we're gonna cover the features of this amazing, beautiful dash cam. Okay, we're gonna make a left turn at the traffic light. Guys, and if you would like to find this dash cam, you can find on the website, or you can use my links. The link will be in the description. See, that car is going straight, the car behind them, and pedestrians too. You can move a little bit more forward and slightly turn a little bit to the left. Okay, we can move. Usually, guys, when I do the videos, I hold the camera, but in this case, because just this, the dash cam is recording everything, I don't need to hold anything in my hands. What you forgot to do?
Make it right.
That's correct. You see? So when you're gonna do this on the actual test or on the mock test, I will mark you for that. Okay?
Okay.
So after the traffic light, I want you to change the lane to the right. And the steps is what? Speed first,
Speed
right?
First, signal,
Signal.
check the mirror.
And if there is a car there, keep on going a little bit faster, more, yeah? Make sure that that's right. You see him in the blind spot, and then you can move. Perfect. So as long as you don't see him here,
Yeah.
you have to check the blind spot, right? You always start from the rear view mirror, then you check the blind spot. So speed is the first, okay?
is the most
Make sure you're picking up the speed to whatever it is. You have to speed up if you have, of course, opportunity to do that. So after this traffic light, we're gonna change the lane to the left. So if you in this specific time, you will see that the back, how close was the car, and that's why I told them to speed up more, so we can see the car back clearly. Yeah. And another question that I have: how much you need to move your head when you checking the blind spot? As you can see in this camera, it's gonna show you exactly how much Jack move his head to see the blind spot. And any intersection you're approaching, make sure you're checking left and right. Correct. So right now we did a few lane changes. We're gonna do some more, and then we're gonna do traffic lights. Guys, so please let me know in the comments, what do you think about the position of the dash cam and how it works? If you would like me to continue to do the videos with the actual just one dash cam, 70 my T800. So now we're gonna change the lane to the right. So you see there is a car beside you, right? You maintaining your 50. What do you need to do to change the lane now?
Speed up a little bit.
No.
Or slow
Or
down.
two options. You have only, like you see, he slowed down. So change the lane now to the right. And change. Let's go. So two options. If the car is going with the same speed that you, and the speed limit is 50, and you maintain very nicely, what you have to do is sometimes just slightly ease on the gas, let them pass, and then you move to the other side. Then you're changing the lane, okay? We're gonna make a traffic light. We're gonna make a right. Turn more, yeah, that's it. Nice. You see when it's tight, slow down, control the vehicle, move inside and turn. Beautiful, beautifully done. Guys, the speed limit it's 30, so on the dash cam you can see the speed limit also, so we can compare how he maintained the speed. Watch your speed, don't go a little bit over, because the dash cam there has the speed limit, right? So just watch the speed. Make a right at the first street. Turn more. Yeah. Beautiful. Traffic light left. Guys, I don't know if you can see how he's holding the steering perfectly. perfectly positioning his hands, full control. Bravo, perfect. Change the lane to the left.
To the light or before the light?
Before the light, because you still have time, right? So speed up, speed up. Also, guys, you can see the stopping position. It's very important because sometimes I have questions, when is the right time to slow down the vehicle? So you can see how he does that. And you can see also the speed, how he drops the speed and what's the speed when he approaching any traffic light or the stop signs. Very nice. That's the right time to slow down before the vehicle. So far, because Jack does everything correctly, we don't have any warnings. But this thing is only specific dash.
Ahead motion detected.
Like I hope that you heard that, and in the video you will see. So it's telling you that the car in front of you start moving. That's the beauty of this dash cam. Amazing. But I hope we can see also pedestrians and bicycles, so if the camera will detect that too. Brake, 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 brake. See, shouldn't be braking a little bit sooner.
Four.
Put the reverse, yeah. See, the light change, go a little bit back, yeah. A little bit more back, more, yeah. See, and stop. Don't drive. The light was changing, Jack.
I thought if I just...
No, you cannot do it, right? That's another thing, guys, that when you're approaching the traffic light, and you can also look on this side, and it says, like on the pedestrian, when there is a hand, it says 3, 2, 1 seconds. Pay attention to it. Don't just go. And that's why I said to Jack, brake, 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 because we were almost going through the yellow light. So that's not good. Check, check. Let's go. Make sure when you start moving, you're still checking, okay? And we're gonna make a left at the traffic light. Let's go, let's go. Don't hesitate. Look, nobody there. Don't take too long. You see, that's we need to improve a little bit more on that, right? So we need to make a little bit faster the judgment. Okay, slow down. Yeah. Go a little bit closer. Yeah. See, the camera was not detecting, but we slowed down sooner. But usually, when the pedestrian is crossing, this camera is warning you. That's the beauty of it. Speed limit is 40. Let's go. So this car actually doesn't have the second brake, so that's why when we were approaching, I was telling to Jack, because he is the one that controlling gas and the brake. I don't have a brake, and that's why I was telling him brake, 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 but his reaction was good. Make a left. Speed limit?
40.
Perfect. Did you see the stop sign?
Yep.
See, it was hidden behind the tree, right? Behind the branch. So you need to pay attention on the lines.
Yeah.
But you saw that. That's good. Make a right at the first street. Go to the center because it's a one-way, and go straight at the traffic light. Straight. See how he turned and there was a pedestrian crossing. This camera will warn you for that. Speed limit is 50.
50?
Yeah. So when you don't see the speed limit posted, by default it's 50. Okay. So make sure that every time you're turning, if you didn't see the speed limit, you're assuming it's 50. But if you missed it, then it's a trouble. Okay. Always check this.
I did.
You did?
I did.
Okay. We'll see. We'll see in the camera because I didn't see. Make a left at the first street. Did you see the speed limit?
30?
Correct. Make a right. And just pull over on this side over here. Perfect. And park the car. Don't shut down the engine. Okay guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Jack today did some lane changes. He did the right and left turns on the traffic light. What do you think?
Feel good.
Feel good?
I feel like I need to improve on some things, but
you feel that you need to improve on some things. And hopefully guys, this video is helping you to see that in 5 lessons what you can do. Sometimes you need more. Don't be disappointed that you need to take longer to drive, because driving is a safety. So again guys, if you going for the test or practicing just now and you, let's say, feeling that you can get faster or learn faster, don't be too hard on yourself. It takes time. It's better to be safe than sorry.